Hi. Right now I'm in the middle of a stop motion film, and I'm doing it with 1/6 scale figures. The star of the show is President Donald Trump. This company called DID Corp makes a bunch of world leaders, and I thought who better to hang out with President Donald Trump than
the president who marches with rifles, rides bears, rides sharks, rides eagles, rides dolphins, rides tortoises, rides bear sharks, rides meteorites, rides astronauts, and only wears a shirt when he's tossing motherfuckers in judo.
Vladimir Putin. Incredibly lifelike, Barbie doll-sized political figures. So, I've also ordered Kim Jong-un. He should be here any day now. Vlad and old Donald will get up to some wacky hijinks. So, there's Vladimir, suit and tie, and 2 hand alternates, pointer fingers, because Vlad tells you how it is. So he needs those pointer fingers. Oh yeah, and look at the back here, we've got a very large Russian flag. Okay, I'll open that up in a second. Let's just have a look at old Vladimir here. Getting ready for this. Oh, there goes a hand. There we go. Okay, so alternate hand. He must wear a ring on his left hand. Oh, that, yeah.
I have a more confused look than usual on my face here because I've discovered that the pointer finger has the ring on the left hand, but the regular hands have the ring on the right hand.
There we go. Other pointer finger. So left and right pointers. And then, oh, look at this. There's another little beauty in there. Let's look at Vladimir first, though. There he is. So, you can bend and manipulate all his joints to do all kinds of ruling of the Russian Federation. How about spread eagles? Oh my God, Vladimir. He's like Jean-Claude Van Damme. I'm sure you're gonna need to prepare for your summit in Helsinki, so I won't keep you too long. Look, his eyes look like the king of the undead on Game of Thrones. Jesus Christ, I'm terrified right now. Okay, and look, with him comes a wristwatch. Even the king of the undead needs to know what time it is. Let's have a look at this flag over here. Cool, so large flag. Oh, not upside down. People have been hanged for that. Treasonous. Flag, Russian flag, and the flagpole. The thing about these 6 scale figures is the detail. It just blows me away. Okay, there's the flagpole. Let's put this on. But DID Corp seems like it's the company that seems to do political and historical figures. All right, so there's the flag, the flagpole. I think I'm gonna have to stick some armature wire in there and animate that for the short as well. So this is about $100 US plus shipping, and it didn't take too long to get here. Look at that. All right, Vlad. Salute the people. And go meet your homeboy Donald. Thanks for watching. I'll post a video of Kim Jong-un when he arrives.